Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video we'll see demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's a monthly expiry, it's a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Tomorrow it is 25th of March, and tomorrow expiry may be a big expiry. That's why I thought I should come to you people and I should tell how we are going to trade on tomorrow's expiry. So before we discuss the calls in detail, I must tell you people, this is my channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. If you are very new to this channel, you must subscribe this channel, because the benefit of joining this channel is you get free demo calls here. Like for example, if you see this video, this is the video of demo call on 10th March. This is the video of demo call on 10th March, and then 100% accuracy. This is the video of the performance. So you get demo calls and then you get the performance also. So already 19,000 subscribers are there on this channel, so you should join. If you are not subscribed, you must subscribe this channel. This is YouTube channel, and then there is one important channel, that is Telegram channel. Telegram channel, on Telegram you need to search. The name of the channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst, but in Telegram you can search t.me/Sunil Pawar Option King. t.me/Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King. You can check the spelling, and you can just type the same way what you are able to see on the screen, and then you will find this channel. If you are still not finding the channel, then you send me WhatsApp on my contact number and I will send you the link. So both the channels are very unique channels in India, because on YouTube you will find hundreds of the channels, but not a single channel is giving you the demo calls like these channels. So on YouTube channel and on Telegram channel, both channels I am giving demo calls. So this is the demo call for tomorrow. This is 25th of March, expiry 25th of March, and this is the demo call for tomorrow. So tomorrow this demo call will track, and if tomorrow Nifty call 14,550, process 120.88, then buy Nifty put 14,550, if process 74.40, then buy. So how we'll trade on these calls? There are set rules. You can follow these rules while executing the trades on these calls. The rules are like entry in trade only when call put crosses the entry price. That we have already discussed. This table is already given to the paid clients, and this table has been released on Telegram channel, and through this video I am giving this table on a YouTube channel also. So Nifty call 14,550, process 120.88, then buy. Nifty put 14,550, process 74.40, then buy. Same rules for Bank Nifty also. Rule number 2, if option opens with the gap up, then wait for the buy given buy level and enter at the level only. For example, tomorrow Nifty call 14,550, 120.88 is the entry price, but if for example it opens at 130, then you buy one lot there and buy one lot at 110, so that your average price becomes 120. So that way also you can buy. If it opens with small gap, you can always buy. Tomorrow it's expiry, premiums are very low. We can buy two lots. So one lot you can buy at a higher price, one lot at lower price, so that your average price becomes your entry price. But you will not buy above 163. This is the target. If call opens above 163, then we will not buy. We will see that rule also. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. For example, we enter into put tomorrow. Put did not give you target and hit the stop loss. After put hits the stop loss, Nifty put hits the stop loss, exit the trade and wait for call to activate. If call activates, then only you can buy double quantity of call, and you can execute. You can follow the rule number 1 and 2. And if call does not activate and put again activates, then you can follow the rules for the same rules. You can buy put with double quantity and you can follow the same rules of trading. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. For example, we entered into call tomorrow and call hits the target within 2 hours. Then if the trader has bought 2 lots, 1 lot he can exit on target first, and remaining 1 lot he can hold till 3:20 p.m. with the stop loss on cost, stop loss on buy price. Rule number 5 is, if target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. This is a rule for regular days, not for expiry days. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. This rule is also not for expiry days, because the expiry days premium are very low, so you can execute third trade. For example, call hits the stop loss, then put also hits the stop loss, then you can execute third trade also, provided your capital permits. And rule number 7 is very important rule. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above the target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. It means these calls are pre-market calls. If these calls open above the target, if Nifty call opens above 164, if Nifty put opens above 117, then in that case just do not buy anything, either call or put any one. If it opens above the target, then just avoid the entire table. If call opens above the target, then avoid call and avoid put also. Avoid the entire table and you will get new fresh calls at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. So friends, these are the rules. And this is the Telegram channel. You can subscribe or you can join this Telegram channel, because the benefit of this joining this Telegram channel is you will get the demo calls like today, and then you will get the performance update of my paid services. Performance update means you will get the performance update of every day. For example, today this is the Bank Nifty put that has given target. Then yesterday Nifty call, Bank Nifty call hit the target. This way you can check the performance of each day here. Every day performance is updated with the charts, with all the details. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and do share all these videos and channels with all of your friends, so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and these channels and this knowledge. Thanks friends.